Biker Bros? This is a Gen Z biker here from Road Dirt TV, and I am here at the Harley-Davidson Museum, as you can see behind me, for the 120th Harley-Davidson Anniversary Rally in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the exciting things that you can look forward to in visiting the Milwaukee Harley-Davidson Anniversary Rallies. Everything from boonie bike racing, custom bike shows, concerts with great music, awesome food and drinks, and obviously an opportunity to explore one of the greatest motorcycle cities in America, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So as we approach the Harley-Davidson Anniversary Rallies, you're gonna start to see tons of motorcycles throughout the streets of Milwaukee. And then as we get closer to the event, the day of, they start to block off the streets. As you see behind me, they've blocked off all the streets near and around the Harley-Davidson Museum, as well as the local hotspots like Iron Horse Hotel and Brady Street, just north of the city of Milwaukee. Now on the first day of the rally, you show up, and if you're not one of the first ones over here in the parking lot, you're gonna be one of the tens of thousands of bikes that end up having to park in the grass or on the street behind me. Now to start off the weekend here, we have an invited builder bike show right behind me here, right in the main corridor of the Harley-Davidson Museum parking lot. And these bikes are some of the hottest bikes in town, actually from all over the world. People come from all over the world for this Harley-Davidson 120th anniversary, and they do it every year for that matter. So make sure to stop by and check out the Harley-Davidson Museum every summer. It's a great place to be for all things motorcycles. Now for someone that just in general loves bikes and isn't partial to any particular brand, this place is one of the greatest places to be. You just have such a wide variety of motorcycles, everything from choppers to sport bikes to classic vintage bikes. There's just such a wide variety of bikes, and all of them have great stories and craftsmanship behind them. So as the night goes on, this place continues to get packed and packed. Every minute, more bikes just filling this place to the brim. So this is the 120th anniversary, day 2. We are here for Flatout Friday, Mama Tried, racing. We got the boonie bikes behind us. Everyone is lining up, and we're about to get some crazy races in today. The crowd here has volunteered to join the 3-up race. Here she is, getting helmeted up, ready to race. What's your name?
Carolina.
Carolina, are you ready to ride? All right. One lap, 4 riders on one boonie bike. Let's check it out. All right, what's up guys? This is day 3 of the Harley 120th anniversary, and I'm here at Ukes Harley-Davidson for War Run 7. This is a boonie bike racing track that they built behind Ukes Harley dealership. You can see here the Dunlop flags. That is the start of the race. And then we're gonna come around, go up this massive jump, come down and around through to that dumpster, back onto these dirt sections. We've got whoops, we've got a water pit. This is gonna be absolutely gnarly. Stay tuned guys, I'm gonna give you some live racing footage from today. Here we've got a Coleman CT200 UEX. It has a built Ducar 212 engine in it. I had that done by Childish Customs. It has billet internals, quartered and milled heads. It has the carbs drilled out. It's got a VM22 Mikuni knockoff carb. A whole host of other things to it. Don't even remember, honestly. roughly 16 horsepower on that guy. What a shit show of a start. This was the that I was behind last time. Passing this time though. It's dusty as hell. Alright guys, so War Run is officially over. This is Saturday night Harley 120th anniversary rally. I am currently on my way to Veterans Memorial Park. One of the great things about working with Harley and having a VIP/media pass is that I get free admission into the concert. So tonight I'm going to see Foo Fighter. Never seen them, excited to see them, but let's check it out. And that concludes today's video of the Harley-Davidson 120th anniversary rally. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the bell icon to be notified of future uploads, and make sure to subscribe not only to Road Dirt TV's channel, but also my personal YouTube channel at Gen Z Biker. Peace out and ride life, biker bros.